especially in classics. 1966 model year Chevrolet El Camino Custom. Error correct 283 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Has had a repaint to silver. Let's take a look at this front bumper, grille, headlights, surrounds. Bumper does show its age a little bit. You can see with the chrome there. All right, as far as the pictures, check out all the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. In the clear, you can see there are some little specks. But don't get me wrong, paint still has a nice shine to it. Car looks good, fun one to get in, turn the key, go, have some fun. Riding on American Racing torque thrust style wheels, Cooper Cobra radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Original interior color of this car was red, 748 trim code, and as you can see, red bench seat, vinyl, seat belts intact. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Also want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Spray-in liner as well as a bed mat in the back. True dual exhaust, and Tech did note that it was newer from the muffler's back. Brake shoes, 80% or better at all 4 corners. Does have rear air shocks if you want to change the ride height at all. Tech also noticed it is a little cold-blooded, and like I said, we'll start it up for you, let you hear it run. And there was slight moisture, drivetrain and differential, which is very common on a vehicle that's driven. Like I said, this one, get in it, turn the key, go have some fun, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And again, all those still pictures. Take a look at the underside pics. We got plenty of underside pics of this car. Over 100 pictures of the car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're an El Camino fan, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done right off our showroom floor, or of course, online. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. It does have a speaker set up behind the seat, as well as an amp, and you're gonna be able to see that in the still pictures. Good look at the door panel. Again, 3-speed manual. I'm gonna show you something about that in just a second also. So let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, audio box stereo, AM, FM, cassette, and I did have the radio working. And the technician did note shift pattern, so I stuck that and left that on the dash. Speaking of dash, take a look at the top of it. Make sure we're neutral. I did not notice really any rips, tears, holes in the seat. Headliner looking good. Pretty healthy sounding 283. Let's listen. Ooh, listen to this. A little rumble coming out of that. And let's slip up to the front, take a look at the engine bay. We'll wrap up this walk around video. And then remember, stick around to the very end. As usual, we'll have Jason take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, let's take a peek at that engine bay. Give you a good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. Again, error correct. 283. See that Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. Full chrome dressed up with valve covers, alternator, air cleaner cover. There's the battery disconnect. The tech did note the aftermarket gauges on the interior with the oil pressure and temperature gauge. Those are working. Forgot to show you that when we were inside there. Tech did note those are working. 1966 Chevrolet El Camino Custom. The number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1966 Chevrolet El Camino. Nice red interior and silver paint on this car. This is a manual transmission on the floor. Down below we have an oil pressure gauge showing 65 psi. Water temperature about 185. The fuel gauge is the factory fuel gauge on the dash, showing a half of a tank. Speedometer working. This car is clock equipped. We have an audio box stereo and speakers behind the scenes. Very good clarity in that audio box stereo with speakers behind the scene. Get a little bit of wind noise. Nothing too excessive. Steering wheel is clocked slightly to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays straight in the lane. El Camino, do you like it? Are you a fan? It's kind of a divisive car, or is it a truck? That's kind of the divisive part. What would you call it, a car or a truck? Take a look at all the pictures of this El Camino at uniqueclassiccars.com.